Ever pondered the question, what's better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? We're breaking down both strategies today, pinpointing advantages and disadvantages. Dropshipping involves storing, shipping, and packaging. It's ideal for control over products and profit margins. Affiliate marketing means promoting others' products, receiving a commission for each sale. Its appeal lies in low startup costs and no inventory. Each has their suitable niches and requires different skill sets. Today, we'll compare them so you can determine which suits your entrepreneurial journey best. First, let's tackle dropshipping. Picture running an enterprise where your primary concern isn't inventory management or logistical nightmares. It's almost too good to be true, isn't it? This is the wonder of dropshipping. In this business model, you act as a bridge between the supplier and the customer. Products are sold directly from the supplier to the customer. You never have to handle them physically. In this process, the supplier takes care of every detail related to product distribution. This includes taking care of product storage, ensuring the products are packed correctly, and also handling the shipping. You don't have to worry about any of these aspects. Your primary role in this fantastic business model is customer acquisition and delivering top-notch customer service. Your job is to attract and convert potential customers, ensuring their buying experience is seamless and satisfactory. However, it's essential to remember that every rose has its thorns. While dropshipping may seem like a smooth sail, it comes with its own set of challenges. For instance, you're completely dependent on your suppliers. Unforeseen delays in shipment, substandard product quality, or even instances of supplier fraud can severely affect your brand's reputation. You're left to deal with the repercussions, even though at your direct fault. Another challenge in dropshipping is the profit margins. They are often as thin as a sheet of paper. You find yourself in a fierce competition with hundreds, perhaps even thousands, of other dropshippers around the globe selling similar products. Dropshipping might sound like a breeze, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. If you're finding this video helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of digital entrepreneurship, hit the like button and subscribe. We regularly release fresh content for your entrepreneurial journey. Stay tuned for our overview of affiliate marketing coming up next. Now, let's shift our focus to affiliate marketing. It's a powerful digital marketing strategy wherein you, a partner, promote someone else's goods or services. You become an intermediary between a producer and a consumer, stepping in to facilitate the sales process. As an affiliate marketer, you're given a unique referral link to share with your audience, whether that be on your blog, social media, or email newsletters. Every time a customer clicks on your referral link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of this model is its simplicity and low-risk nature. The startup costs are minimal. Setting up an affiliate marketing venture is often a matter of signing up for a platform and choosing the product you wish to endorse. Unlike traditional business models, you're free from the responsibilities associated with manufacturing, storing, or shipping products. Your primary responsibility is creating compelling and persuasive marketing content that motivates potential customers to make a purchase. However, affiliate marketing does come with its unique set of challenges. Your success is intimately intertwined with the product owner or service provider. If they opt to discontinue the product, modify the commission plan, or terminate their enterprise, your income stream may suffer a significant hit. Also, remember that affiliate marketing is a long game. It takes patience, persistence, and a knack for understanding your audience's needs to see substantial income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategy, time, and perseverance. Building a substantial income through marketing also takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Which is better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? Not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your personal preferences, skills, and risk tolerance determine the fit. If you relish control over customer service and yearn for higher income despite associated risks, consider dropshipping. It requires an upfront financial commitment, but the potential returns are significant. Affiliate marketing, on the opposite, is different. Are you keen on creating content and patient enough to wait for results? If yes, affiliate marketing could be your shot. It demands minimal initial investment, alleviating financial stress. If you're passionate about content creation, affiliate marketing might be your calling. In a nutshell, both dropshipping and affiliate marketing have their pros and cons. Dropshipping eliminates inventory hassles, but faces supplier issues and competition. Affiliate marketing earns by promoting products, yet depends on the product provider and needs patience for substantial income. The final verdict? It's not about the best model in general, it's about what's better for you. Analyze your strengths, understand the challenges, and select the model that fits your vision. After all, the business model is the one that works for you.